Hello everyone. Here is a request sum of probability. A bowl contains 10 chips of equal size, 5 red, 3 white and 2 blue. A chip is drawn at random. Define the following events. A. The draw of a red or a blue chip. B. The draw of a red or a white chip. If the draw results in either a red or a white chip, then what is the probability of the event A? We see this is the conditional probability sum. Let us take R for the event the draw of a red chip. Let us take V for the event the draw of a blue chip. Let us take W for the event the draw of a white chip. Now it is given in the question that A equal the draw of a red or a blue chip. Red or blue chip. R or V equal R union V. And B is given as the draw of a red or a white chip. So red or white, R or W, which is R union W. Now the question is, you have to find the probability of the event A when B occurred, when the draw results in either a red or a white chip. So here B is either a red or a white chip. Therefore, we have to find the conditional probability, that is probability of A when B occurred. We know the definition of conditional probability. Probability of A when B occurred is probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Now here probability of A is R union V and B is R union W divided by probability of R union W. Now let us find all of this. In the numerator, this expression can be written as probability of R union V intersection W divided by probability of R union W. Now let us find probability of R union W and probability of R union V intersection W. Now let us find probability of R union W. As R and W are mutually exclusive, then we can write probability of R plus probability of W. Let's see what is probability of R and probability of W. Let us take the bowl and there are 5 red chips, 3 white chips and 2 blue chips. So probability of R is 5 by 10. Favorable outcomes 5 and total number of outcomes 10 plus 3 by 10. Favorable outcomes 3 and total number of outcome 10 because there are 3 white chips. So this is equal 8 by 10. Now let us find probability of R union V intersection W. Here R and V intersection W, these two events are mutually exclusive. So we can write probability of R plus probability of V intersection W. Probability of R is 5 by 10. V intersection W is 5 because they are disjoint sets. Therefore, the probability of V intersection W is 0. So, we have probability of R union V intersection W as 5 by 10. Now, let us put these two values in the conditional probability expression. So, this is equal 5 by 10 by 8 by 10, which is 5 by 8. This is the required answer.